जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। भज गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, 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 Jai Srila Prabhupada. Gurudev, 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 Jai Srila Gurudev. हरिनाम संकीर्तन नमो की जय। भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रबंध महाराज की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि 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 बोल। So everybody unmute. I'm going to ask you some question. Everybody unmute. Everybody unmute, please. I'm going to ask question. Unmute. Everybody unmute.
Yes, unmuted.
No, people are not unmuted.
No, Dad.
Okay.
Everyone.
Okay. My question to you is, you all know Bhagavatam, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So how many chapters are there in Bhagavatam?
335.
And how many slokas in Srimad Bhagavatam?
Around 14,000, but Anushka Chand 18,000.
How many slokas in Srimad Bhagavatam?
18,000.
18,000.
Very good. You are listening very properly. There are 14,094 slokas, but there are 576,000 syllables, words. So if you divide them by 32, then it becomes 18,000. 576,000 syllables. Half syllables are not counted. Halant are not counted. Whole words are counted. So total 575 divided by 18,000 divided by 32. 32 is the Anushtapa Chanda. Then it becomes 18,000. Now, okay, who wrote Srimad Bhagavatam?
Vedvyas ji.
You all are wrong.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Prabhuji, just 1 second, I will see here. Mahesh Pandit Prabhuji. हाँ प्रभु जी थोड़ा मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास, थोड़ा एयरपोर्ट चलेंगे अलंकार प्रभु को लाने के लिए स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. Can we go at Mataji? They will receive. I am coming to your house. Okay, he is requesting. Okay, Prabhu? Yes, okay, I am coming now.
अरे उसको बोलो टैक्सी में आ जाए ना, उसको 20,000 दे देंगे, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? उसको बोलो टैक्सी में आ जाए, बोलो विल गिव 20 रियल.
We will pay 20 real.
Yeah, what's the problem? 20, 25, 30, what's the problem?
He might not be having.
No, he will definitely, he will have money.
आज मुझे एक चीज का पता चला, कृष्ण चंद्र प्रभु जी 6 महीने बाद विष्णु प्रिया माता जी को मिले. इतने खुश नहीं थे, मगर आज अपने दोस्त को मिल करके बहुत सुंदर गा रहे थे, सुरीली आवाज.
Okay, it's okay, all right.
Ganapati Prabhu ji, under guidance of Ganesh ji, under the guidance of Vedvyas ji.
That's Mahabharat.
Please know, Srila Prabhupada has written the Srimad Bhagavatam for us. Srila Prabhupada. Whatever Vedvyasa wrote, you cannot understand anything. Whatever Vedvyasa wrote, you all cannot understand anything because you don't know Sanskrit. So for us, Srimad Bhagavatam was written by Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Okay? Alright? Agreed or disagree?
Agreed.
Okay, we'll start now. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासां ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। न शुप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। So we'll be continuing our recitation from 35 text onwards from Canto 3, chapter 21, entitled Conversation between Manu and Kardama. Ata samprastite shucho Kardamo Bhagavan Rishihi Aste asma Vindu Sarasi Tam Kala Partipalayan Atha samprastite shuche Sukle Kardamo Bhagavan Rishivihi Aste asma Bindu Sarasi Tam Kalam Pratipalayan Atha samprastite shucho Sukle Kardamo Bhagavan Rishihi Aste asma Bindu Sarasi Tam Kalam Pratipalayan. Synonym. Aha. Atha, then, samprastite sukle, when the Lord had gone, Kardama Muni, Bhagavan, the greatly powerful, Rishi says, Aste Sma, stayed, Bindu Sarase, on the bank of the lake Bindu Sarovar, Tam, that, Kalam, time, Pratipalayan, awaiting. Translation by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Then, after the departure of the Lord, the wonderful sage Kardama stayed on the bank of Bindu Sarovar, awaiting the time of which the Lord had spoken. I'll take 36 also. Manuhosha Nandanam Astaya Shatakom Varikshadam Aropya Swaduhitaram Savaryam Paryadan Mahim. Synonym. Manuhu, Swami Manu. Syanandanam, the chariot. Astaya, having mounted. Shanta Kumbha, made of gold. Parichadam, the outer oven. Aropya, putting on. Swam, his own. Duhitaram, daughter. Savharyam, along with his wife. Paryatan, traveling all over. Mahim, the globe. Translation and purport also. Swami Manu, with his wife, mounted his chariot, which was decorated with golden ornaments, placing his daughter on it with them. He began traveling all over the earth. Purport. The Emperor Manu, as the great ruler of the world, could have engaged an agent to find a suitable husband for his daughter. But because he loved her just as father should, he himself left his state on the golden chariot with only his wife on to find her a suitable husband. Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmantamenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namo Sri Chaitanya Manovistam Stapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakatamayam Dadadi Supatantikam Bandeyam Sri Guru Shata Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavamam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunadan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuedam Savadutam Parajana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakan Vitam Cha हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपति गोपेशा गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतिताः नाम पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने नमाचार्य पादाय निताय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथाधामदाय नगरग्रामतारिणे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। जय श्रील प्रभुपाद। So even the Puranas were compiled by Rom Harshana, not Vedyasa, under the guidance, of course, under guidance, but It is compiled by Rom Harshan Rishi, the father of Shuddha Goswami. Just for information, because you have read it, but you all have forgotten. So today, we are saying, thereafter, when the Lord departed, when Lord departed, Kardama Muni became stunned. He didn't know what to do. He was frozen like. He stood there, baffled, not in anxiety, spiritual anxiety. Oh my God, Lord was standing here, He was speaking to me like this, He said that. So this is called a great anxiety, spiritual anxiety. So he stayed there where he was standing in front of the Lord. He forgot himself. And that's the sign of bhakti. When you forget who you are, when you remember only your goal, your object, then you are in perfect devotion. But so long you are remembering, I am standing here, I am there, in front of me he, behind me that, then it means your mind is not on Krishna, your mind is on the surroundings. Sometimes maybe environment, but actually that is not the way. This sloka, though, is a very simple line. He stood in Bindu Sarovar. He is adoring that place. That what a lucky place is this, that I could see the Lord. And some hints are given in this chapter, but actually if you want to know Krishna in full, then read Canto 2, Chapter 1 from text. I think it is Jitasana Jitwasa. So after that, you see, you will find the beauty of Krishna. What all are in the body of Krishna. Whatever that all you see around, it is the produce of Krishna. It is Chaya of Krishna. It has come out from him. So read Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 1 in full. There are only 30-40 slokas are there. And you will understand who Krishna is. Then, as soon as you hear the name of Krishna, the ecstatic current will flow through your body. So that is Krishna. Like his ears are like the clouds. His dresses are like the cloud. All the rivers, not only of this loka, of all the lokas, they are his veins, not even arteries, only veins. Veins means they are small. Artery is big, veins are small. So this is like a veins, not even artery. That begins Krishna. In his rasathala, in his knee, in his ankle, in his belly, in his hands, in his head, in his eyes, in his ear, in his ear, in his nose, in his teeth. All are residing. Who is residing in his talu, who is residing in his jiva, who is residing in his kati. All that, if you want to know, please read that particular chapter and memorize it. Then you will fall in love with Krishna. First with Krishna, then only the name of Krishna. Alright? So, he was standing on the bank of river. And I don't know, he's not saying how many years, how many times he was standing. Okay, that's frozen. Because the devotees, if he's in devotion, then time, it doesn't really matter. Time does not matter. Time stops there. So he's adoring his bhagya, that I could see. Like back in 1980, some film star came to Qatar, and I could get my photograph with Ranjit, with Simi Grewal, with somebody. Now for another 4 years, anybody comes home, hey, look my photo, look at my photo, look at my photo, look at my photo. Look at my photo, look at my photo. I thought that I have achieved something in life. So if a mundane people can do that, whatever Kardama, the greatest of the devotees, the greatest of the sages, Raj Rishi, he is standing just Bindu Sarovar, adoring, and he is still vibrating that particular instruction that Krishna has given him. You see? Vibrating. I remember when I was taking the photo, so many people coming back, hey, get one side, only my single photo, oh, my single photo. People who flock, hey, fighting with them, so that then we'll laughing with them. So if a mundane person can adore a personality, then what to talk of adoring the Supreme Personality of Godhead? So in Bindu Sarovara, he is standing and just relishing the moment he has passed with Lord Krishna. And he could see him going far away, he could see. And still in the vision, While Lord is standing, he is gone, he is still in the vision. He is not out of the vision. He is still in the vision. That is the beauty of Srimad Bhagavatam. That is the ecstatic of the devotees. But sometimes you may be knowing, oh, my Guru Maharaj is coming. And then you get ecstatic. Oh, then when Guru Maharaj comes, I'll ask him this question or this and that. So many things. You're adoring, you're understanding. So feeling ecstatic. And then when Guru Maharaj go and then say, yeah, he did like this and he said like this and I did like this and so many things that we remember for maybe days together, months together. So we are Gardama standing on the bank of Bindu Sarovar, forgetting himself, adoring the fortune he has meeting of Krishna. Then scene changes. Now scene changes. You say, then Sukacharya is saying that in the other end, Manu, the emperor, Swayambhu Manu, and Satrupa, with a daughter, Devhuti. You know, he has 5 children, 2 male, 3 female. I don't know whether you remember or not. If you don't, then please search it out. If you remember, that's very nice. No, let them find out. So, the Devhuti, now Prabhupada can pass a commentary, he was the emperor. He could have assigned any work. He should assign the work, okay, go, find a suitable groom for my daughter. Isn't it? He's a king. They would have ordered it. Like we say, what is the name here? In Jagannath Puri. Indradhunu Maharaj is telling him, Vidyapachaswati, go and find out. He didn't go himself. He didn't go himself. He said, you go. If it have gone, maybe you could have seen the darshan of the Lord in the cave. He didn't go. He said, you go. But here, Swayambhu Manu, he is setting an example. Yada yada achanit sreshtaha tata eve taro janaha. Sa pramanam yad kurute lokasthadan vardate. One day, one big businessman, he went to hear what you call Mushaira or Kavita, Kavya part. But he did not clap at all. So somebody asked him, sir, why are you not clapping? So very nice. Well, no, I got a servant, he'll clap for me. Why should I clap? Everything, my servant, my servant, my servant. Then he got married. So he had to go for honeymoon. So somebody asked him, I hope you are not going, right? Well, why? Well, you have got a servant, no? Why will go? You have a servant, let servant do everything. The here idea is, you know, even in the Prabhu, can you do this? Prabhu, can you do this? You don't do anything, right? I have done it many times and Guru Maharaj, Prabhu, do this. You don't do anything. You don't want to lose the sight of the Guru. So here they are saying the responsibility. This is called a responsibility. He was responsible to find a suitable husband for his daughter, and that's why he set forth. And both husband and wife. Nowadays, husband, wife said, तुम जाओ ना, तुम करके आओ ना, मैं क्यों जाऊं? क्यों ऐसा बोलते हैं? क्या होता है? अगर गड़बड़ होगी ना, तुमने किया, मैं होती तो मैं ऐसा नहीं होने देती. The whole idea here is the moral. Srimad Bhagavatam also teaches you the moral. Your responsibility you have to discharge. Your bhakti you have to discharge. You know somebody will do for you. Nowadays very nice thing. You give 500 rupees to some pandit, he will do puja for you. You will be smoking cigarette and having the drinks and things like that, and give pujari, oh, I'll give you 1,000 rupees, just do proper puja. And then on the top of them say, Pandit ji, ढंग से करना है पूजा. ना पैसे दे रहा हूँ, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. हमने नहीं करना. So this is the problem with us. Our responsibility we don't discharge. Suppose the 2-3 friends are at home. I had a very nice example in our home. Whenever somebody, Prashad, my wife, will the cooking and all, then she say, you offer. I said, I'm very tired, you offer. Then say, no problem. Kirtida, can you offer? I just came from office. Why don't you offer? So, you are distributing the responsibility. I don't want to do anything. Here, Swayambhu Manu, the emperor, of the whole world, whom even the demigod will take dictation, suggestion. He is going himself to find a suitable daughter, a suitable son-in-law, and the husband for a daughter. And then you are saying that you may be thinking that how come, the chariot, that time the roads were not there, so many things, so many bridges were not there. How would ever traveled? Well, they traveled in the air. They don't roll on the ground. The chariots sometimes just fly up like a plane. They are not rolling on the ground. They say, if there is a sea, what will happen? If there is no bridge, what will happen? If there is no road, what will happen? No, they go through. Because that time the things were very, very advanced. Very, very advanced. At the sight, at the thought of a mind, you can reach, you can do impossible. So don't think that, Sriman like this, it is possible, No roads were there, There are no plane, the airports, they'll go. They could go. Even Kardama will then create a plane for his wife. The plane will be nine floor, the plane. At the moment you have heard only two floor, right? At the moment the biggest plane is only 2 floor. But now he'll make the plane of 9 floor. And he'll be as big as this earth. Not simply only 500 people sit. Thousands and thousands of people can sit. So that was the advancement of that time, which you all have forgotten. And when people say, "Arey, all myth," you say, yeah, man, I understand, you're right, yeah, myth. It's not a myth. It's all absolute. Absolute correct. If you don't know what to do, but this stands. So this is the way, I think it's already 11:27. So, okay, let me take this one also. It's very, very easy. 37. Tasmin Shudhan Vannihi Bhagavan Yat Samadhisat Upayadasrama Padam Mune Shanta Vratasya. Tasmin, on that, Swa Dhanvan, O great Bauman Vidura, Ahani, on the day, Bhagavan the Lord, yet which Samadhisat, foretold, Upayat, he reached Asrama Padam, the holy hermitage, Munehe of the sage, Shanta, completed, Bhartasya, whose vows of austerity, that translation, O Vidura, they reached the hermitage of the sage, who had just completed his vows of austerity on the very day foretold by the Lord. Lord has said, after some time. That sometime it could be anything, It is from minute to days and to months. But he says, the Swayambhu Manu with his daughter and his wife, he reached the hermitage of the Kardama Muni. And as was instructed, as was foretold by the Lord. Because anything the Lord or his devotees say, that come to pass for sure. Never there is a time then when somebody will fail. No, it come to pass. So it was so very fortunate that Swayambhu Manu with his wife and daughter, they reached the hermitage of Kardama Muni. Now, nowadays, the Sastra says, Kanya varyate rupam, Mata varyate dhanam, Pita varyate vidhyam. Nowadays, when there is a marriage ceremony, something like that, so the girl or the boy will only see the feature, good looking feature or not. But mother is not going to look for the future. They are going to look forward, do they have money? And father is not looking for the money. Father is looking, does he have a jnana? Money comes and goes, jnana remains. Money can be stolen, but the jnana cannot be stolen. So, Kanya varyate rupam. The girl will only look for the features. She is not bothered with money, she is not bothered with jnani or not feature. Good looking, very nice, I like him. Mata varyate dattam. And Mata, let me see his property. How many houses they have got, how many cows and elephants and things they have got, how many fields they have got, what are their prosperity. And father say, how educated, is he MBA or not? Is it any MBA? No. Nowadays everything is MBA. One of my friend's daughter is a MBBS from India. She went to USA to do MBA. I said, what happened? Why MBA? Well, no, if she has to start her own hospital, no, so she should understand the administration. No? So after MBBS, she become MBA. So father will say, अरे boy MBA है ना, बस बात करता है, अरे सब हो जाएगा. Here Simon Manu, he saw the hermitage. He had the palace where thousands and thousands and thousands of his security guards, housemaids are serving him. And he has chosen a hermitage which has just a roof, even the door, there is no, in that whole door, there is no door. It's just open. It's called a hermitage, without door. If there's a door, there is no jhopdi. Not hermitage, eh? Jhopdi. If you have a door, you have a jhopdi. Hermitage, just open. And by seeing Kardama Muni, he will be pacified, he will be extremely happy. What a gem I found in the jungle. So that story is going to come forward, and I'm sure you will all definitely like it, you will enjoy it. So please get into the mood of Srimad Bhagavatam if you want to enjoy every second of your life. If you intend to say that I have come here to enjoy, then read Srimad Bhagavatam. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much. I heard you will have a lot of questions. If I could understand your questions, I may be in a position to answer it. But if I don't know, I will simply say, sorry, I don't know. Hare Krishna.